Hi, I'm Jeff Brothers Commercial Brokerage. I started the business in 1984, do a lot of work in Red Bank, considered an expert in the downtown for leasing and selling of commercial buildings. One of the reasons why many people choose to do business in Red Bank is we're very close to Fairhaven, Rumson, Navesink, Middletown, places that a lot of decision makers live. If you're interested in buying or leasing space in downtown Red Bank or relocating your business to Red Bank, I'd love to have the opportunity to be able to work with you. There are many choices and many different types of space. Although it's a small town and there aren't a lot of different buildings available, each building is very unique and has its own character. And understanding what your needs are and how those particular buildings could meet your needs are very important.